What's up, folks? Today, we will make America great again through education. To get the equation of conic section, we is to find the locus using the definition. The locus of the circle is equal distance from the center. Using the distance formula, we get the formula. The locus of an ellipse, the sum of the distances to two focuses, is constant, equal to a. Using Pythagoras' theorem, we get a square equal to b square plus c square. Now we get these using the distance formula, and we get this, which equal to this. Square both sides. Simplify. Expands. Plug that back in. Simplify. Simplify. Rearrange. Simplify. Square both sides. Simplify. Take x and a out so that they have b in commons. Divide both sides by left side. Simplify. We get the formula. The locus of parabola is equal distance from fixed point in line. Using the distance formula, we get the formula. Denote vertex as hk. H equal a and k equal half b. Replace with h and k. Square both sides. Expands. Simplify. Rearrange. Divide both sides by 4k. K is p. That is where a equal 1 divided 4p came from. We get the formula. The locus of a hyperbola is the difference between the distances to two focuses is constant, equal to a. If point xy goes to infinity, it will approach and parallel to the asymptote. Here is the asymptote. Name this b. So we can get the equation of the asymptote is b divided by a. By using the slope equation, the difference between the distances to focuses is 2a. And that triangle hypotenuse is 2c. This triangle will be similar to this triangle, since they are right triangles with a common angle. And 2a similar to a and 2c similar to c. And using the Pythagorean theorem, we get c square equal a square plus b square. Now we get these using the distance formula, and we get this, which equal to this. Square both sides. Simplify. Expands. Plug that back in. Simplify. Simplify. Rearrange. Square both sides. Simplify. Take x and a out so that they have b in commons. Divide both sides by that. Simplify. Rearrange. We get the formula. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, or else
You are fake news.